Why did we only get one flashlight?
I don't know, man. We should have done more flashlights, honestly.
Oh, I have my phone. I have my phone.
What's that gonna do? What's your phone gonna do right now?
A little bit. I can only see like 3 feet.
Yo, it keeps going. It keeps going down. Let's go. Bro, what's it? Yo. What? Oh my God! Wait! I saw something moving. No! I'm going. Hey, Lucy. So I got you a present, okay? It's just a little bit of paper. You like it? She likes it. She's like, I want to eat it. Hey, don't eat it. Ladies and gentlemen, on today's video, we have $100,000, and the last one to leave the haunted forest wins 100 grand. Get away from me! It's mine. All right, guys, come on, follow me. Okay, so we're on our way to the haunted forest right now, and we have this crazy flashlight, which is gonna get the job done. I know we have iPhones, but we're gonna be using this thing. Check this out, ready? Let's go. Follow me. So if there's any ghosts or something, this thing's gonna spot it, and you guys are gonna be able to see the real ghosts in the video. So go ahead, even comment down below a timestamp if you see anything suspicious happening in the video. Okay, follow me. Come on, let's go. Here we go. So this is the path leading to the haunted forest. So everybody just follow me, but you guys keep on watching. Yo, check this out, bro. Here, look. Who saw me? Check this out. So right over here is this crazy path. And it looks like it was actually created by a human or something. Not really sure. But, yo, that's mad creepy. Check this out, bro. Should we go inside? Hear that? Where's Annie? Annie! Annie, get over here.
Coming.
Come here. Okay, guys, so we have our MooseCraft hoodies on. Get yourself some MooseCraft hoodies at www.itsmoosecraft.com. It's keeping us right now from dying through the bugs. We're exploring this super sketchy path, okay? Come on, guys. Wait, you hear that? Something just moved.
Oh my God.
Something just moved. Come on, Jeremy. Let's go. Okay, buddy, come on. We gotta keep going. Don't stop running, bro. We gotta go. All right, so you saw me? That was kind of creepy. Could have been a deer or something, but that path started having like these weird sounds and stuff. I was getting sketched out. We were all getting sketched out, and for our own safety, we decided to leave that part. But we're currently on a path going into even scarier woods. So let's go ahead and do this, man. This flash is gonna help us out, and he's got a flashlight. But the last one to leave, guys, wins $100,000. Just saying. So if that means that I'm gonna be the last one alive, then I'm gonna win $100,000. Wait.
Is it worth it?
Wait. You have to keep my own money then.
It's so worth it.
Okay, let's do it. Come on, follow me.
I don't know if that's worth it.
What would you do for $100,000? Comment down below. Woo! Come on, buddy. Woo! Don't worry, guys. Just get cardio in. We're all gonna be good. Come on. Back on the path.
Where's this bridge?
Wait. Look. It's like another like weird entrance. It's almost like it was made by somebody, bro. Ready to check it out? Come on, guys. What the heck? You see this, bro? Yo, that's so creepy. Look at that stuff. Look at that thing flying around. That's mad sketch. Whew. Okay, that's something. We gotta find like a real entrance into the forest for sure. We just gotta figure out where to go. But there's a path that leads all the way down there, and we know just the spot. Come on. Guys, did you hear something?
What? I don't see anything.
So we've been walking around for a little bit. Everybody's a little bit scared because we keep hearing things. Like, we can't tell if it's an animal, or if it's like someone trying to mess with us, or what. Hey, you good?
No.
Is there anything in there? Oh, what the heck, bro? What Okay, my flashlight keeps glitching out. I just bought this thing, man. What is going on? Oh, there we go. Come on. So we just heard a tree branch break over there. All the way over there. Any sketched out, I'm sketched out. There's luckily 3 of us, so I'll be going towards it. This is a terrible idea. Yo, it actually can walk down there. Hey, you go first.
What is that? What is that? Look right, look right, look right.
Wait, what is that?
What'd you hear?
What's up there?
Where? Where?
Yeah?
Hear it. It's like a bird. Come on. Just in case, make sure you get your phone out in case you gotta call somebody.
Where do we go?
Yo, it comes down to this, man.
Where do we go?
The Moose Army's gonna have to fight somebody for sure, bro. So how's everybody doing? Everybody's fine, right? Annie, you're fine? Jeremy, you're fine?
I'm sure.
Everybody's fine? No one wants to back out right now and walk back all the way down this creepy path over here? Well, who's that?
I wanna...
How much money are we paying
Well,
for again?
like I said, if you guys want to back out, go ahead, man. I got nothing to lose.
You see that? Point there, point there, point there.
Where?
Point there.
Where? Here?
There. What is that?
It's a sign. So,
It's a sign.
guys, don't forget, this place is currently abandoned or something. There was fences that we had to like kind of get past. So that could be like the trespassing thing, saying like, do not go here, something like that. Let's check it out first, okay?
It's a UFO.
Whoa!
Oh my god, he's got a
That's a
tackle.
plane, bro. Okay, so that's the sign right there.
It's over here.
Yo, look how sketchy that is. So that is it right there. Yo, that's so creepy. Bro, I don't know about that, man. Careful where you step, by the way.
It's so deep. Why is it so deep?
I don't know, bro. We're gonna be fine, though. Well, luckily we got a gear on.
Oh my god, there's the left side. There's the left side.
Wait, there's 2 sides?
There's the left side.
Yo, it's like 12 a.m. We can either go down there, right there, or we can go all the way over here.
Or we can split up.
Why? Why would... What?
Why would you?
Why would we ever
split
do that?
up?
Why would you ever even say
it
that?
was
That is the
like-
stupidest idea ever. Every
We can
scary
split up.
movie.
We'll go together. That's how you die.
Every scary movie.
Wait. Okay, so that's definitely a. It's hard to read that, but
No trespassing.
yeah, that's about it. Okay, so what are you guys thinking? Try it out
Let's go.
here, or option number 2. How about this, guys? So everybody watching this video, leave a like if you want to see us go to the left side, and comment down below, go to the right side if you want to see us go over here.
Yeah, I don't know what
I keep hearing like tree branches.
Bro, I don't know why.
Okay.
Dude, I'm sweating so hard.
Everybody, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go this way. I don't know, guys. What was that? You hear that?
Yeah.
What was that? Go.
So ladies,
Shut.
I don't know, guys. I don't know, man. So we're in the creepiest part of this place. Look at this. It's like water. It's like a swamp almost. Watch it for any alligators or something, man.
Wait, what?
Oh my god. You're right.
Yeah. Let's actually like watch out for alligators, guys.
Actually, my mom would not be happy.
No, not at all.
Why do we only get one
Swamp.
flashlight? Why do we only get one flashlight?
I don't know, man. We should have done more flashlights, honestly.
Oh, I have my phone.
What's that gonna do? What's your phone gonna do right now?
A little bit. I can only see like 3 feet.
Come on, let's go. Everybody good? You good, Annie? Yeah, you're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.
Yeah, it's very bright in here.
Oh, really? Yo, it keeps going. It keeps going down. Let's go. Bro, Yo. What?
Oh my God, wait, I saw something moving up. No. Wait, where I'm going.
Okay, so what does that mean, guys?
I quit.
Did you quit?
It's not over.
It's not over yet, bro. Okay, so Moose Army, we still have a whole entire left set to go down. As you can see, right over here. So a long way to go, for sure. So Jeremy, I think you should be our contestant to go down first, okay, buddy?
I agree.
How does that sound, buddy? You want to win 100 grand?
Yeah.
So, wanna go down there, buddy?
Alright.
I'll make it better for you, bro. You good?
Listen. Alright, actually comment down below if I should do this. I don't think I should do this.
It's kind of sketchy, man, honestly.
Like, I actually hear something moving, George.
Hey, Jeremy? Hey, buddy? Jeremy, you good? Where you going? You sure you want to go alone? I think we're just gonna stay over here. I mean, Andy kind of already quit, pretty much. What's up, bro? What is it? Jeremy, you good? Jeremy?
Go.
Let's go. You good, bro? Jeremy, buddy.
Where'd he go?
No. Kind of sketched out here. Jeremy. Hello. Okay, so this is like I just heard some kind of sounds, but this is mad sketch. I have to find a way to find Jeremy again, so we can save him, and so we can get out of here. So let's we can't just leave Jeremy there. Jeremy. Where's he at? Is he in here? Jeremy? Jeremy? Let's go, come on.
Jeremy?
Do you have something on you? I can use this flashlight to scare it. Where?
Do you not hear that?
I hear it, but it could just be a lizard or something.
A lizard making that big of a noise.
Hello? Jeremy?
Jeremy?
Jeremy, you good? Buddy, I hear you.
Oh my God.
Jeremy, you good, bro? Oh, you really know how to run, bro. Oh my gosh. Andy, you did it. Come on, Andy.
Let's go.
You okay?
Come on.
Bro, come on. We've been running for like 5 minutes, man. You're good. There's nothing there.
It wasn't a snake. It was around my leg. I can't.
What?
I don't know what it was.
It's probably a snake, bro.
I swear.
What'd you see?
It wasn't fun.
What did you see, though? I don't understand.
Let's go home. Come on. Hey, there's no time for your shoes.
There's no time for shoes. Just come on. Let's get out of here already.
I don't know what it was.
Oh my God, there's a sound again. Where's the sound? Oh, hold on. What are you doing?
What's happening?
Okay. I think the battery's low or something.
It's a family or something. I don't know what it was. It wasn't one.
Something?
It wasn't one, bro. I promise.
What are you talking about?
There's a lot of. I'm not going back.
Get out of here.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Good?
Come on. Yeah. I don't know. It wasn't making.
Oh my God. Oh.
It wasn't making animal noise.
Yo, look.
Oh my God, that's huge.
What's a spider, bro?
Oh my God.
Is it on your foot?
That was like right next to my phone. I was gonna. Dude, what is
Let's go. I don't like spiders either. I don't like spiders either.
I mean, spiders are pretty cool,
No,
bro.
I'm not. I don't like Spider-Man.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's the next morning, and I gotta say, man, that was pretty sketchy. So we actually looked over the footage, and I don't know if anybody actually saw anything. I mean, Andy says that she saw some scary stuff.
I am positive.
I personally don't believe it. I mean, Jeremy says that she saw some weird things, but now we're gonna be giving away the reward for whoever won the $100,000. So, Jeremy, where's Jeremy go? Jeremy? Hello? Jeremy? Jeremy? Nala? Hello?
Listen.
What? You good? What?
Safe?
Yeah, it's safe. What are you doing in Niall's bathroom?
What do you mean?
Freeze! It's me. Yeah, so Jeremy hasn't been the same recently. He's been like really sketched out and stuff. So anyways, Annie technically did get eliminated.
Wait, what?
You ran away first.
You ran too.
No.
Yeah, you did.
It's my money. I also ran away. So what it kind of comes down to is Jeremy's the winner of $100,000. I don't want to give this to him, but we kind of have to. Jeremy!
We still split it, George. We still split it.
This is my money. We're not splitting it with you. What do you mean? You're not getting this. It's mine. Hey, bud, I got a gift for you. What are you doing, bro? Jeremy.
What do you want?
You won the money.
What money?
The $100,000.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you want it? Hey, Jeremy.
Leave us alone.
I can't even see you guys.
Step back! Step back right now!
Shut up! Lucy, you okay? Is everything safe? Okay, I think Jeremy definitely lost it. Alright, so Moose Army, we'll see you tomorrow with a...
No, come on.
Okay, well anyways, Moose Army, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all did enjoy. We can do a following up video where we go back into the haunted forest and go further down with more people. And I guess like we can bring like baseball bats or something. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow with a better video. Don't forget to subscribe, slap the bell, leave a like, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Woo!